Hey, I'm going to show you how to properly make your bed from beginning to end. We're going to start with the dust ruffle. It goes under the mattress or box spring if you have it. Its design is to add beauty or a finished look to the bed, but also to keep the dust bunnies from getting underneath. Here's a simple method if you are trying to wrestle this thing by yourself. Lay it out on the bed with the side that doesn't have the ruffle at the top. Now you're going to start at the top and you're going to gather it all the way to the bottom. Now that it looks like this, we're going to slide it between the mattress and the box spring. Start on one side and then you go to the other. Starting with that top edge, we're going to lift up and place that here. Repeat on the other side. And now you're simply going to lift the side and pull it all the way up. And repeat on the other side. Now the fitted sheet. Those are the ones with the elastic. The one thing that you must remember is the tags go at the foot of the bed. Take the seams, place your hands in both, and put it on the bed. Simply line all 4 seams up to the corners. Here's a tip. As your sheets get older and they shrink, put on one corner and then do the diagonal. That way you're not wrestling with the entire sheet. Next is our flat sheet. Very important. You see this ridge here? There's usually some decorative design or something. This goes face down on the bed. Be sure to have equal amounts on each side of the bed and enough at the foot where you can properly tuck. And now our hospital corner. We're going to grab the peak here, pull it all the way up so that we can tuck this under, and then we're going to pull this and tuck it again. Now that your bedding is nice and smooth, it is time to add the blanket. It is summertime, so we're going to forego the heavy quilt or duvet. It should lay flat, equal on both sides, and cover the top of the dust ruffle. Now we're going to fold it up to the top of the bed, fold it back over, and remember how we had the flat sheet upside down? Now you take it to reveal the decorative edge. And now the pillows. Putting your pillow in a pillow liner will help preserve the pillow. It won't get all the oil from your hair onto the pillow. And this goes before the pillowcase. Put it in and zip. So now we're going to put the pillow in the case, zipper first so that it's on this side and on the outside to prevent injury. The designs on the edge of the pillow are in keeping with the rest of the bedding. However, if you like the hotel look, here's how it works. You're going to take the pillow, fold one side in, and tuck the other side. When you're finished, you get a look like this. You see the difference between this and that. But either way, it's a matter of preference. And last, we have the pillow shams. These are just decorative, but they usually match your duvet. You can place them this way or this way if you prefer. Again, it's summertime, but if you like the looks of the accent and the full look, you can always place the duvet at the foot. And there you have it, a well-made, properly finished bed. I hope these tips help. If you have more bedding or linen questions, leave them in the comments.